Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw crypto from Kraken in the United States, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw crypto from Kraken in the United States, first, log in to your Kraken account. Navigate to the Funding tab on the main menu. Click on Withdraw to access the withdrawal options. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw from the drop-down menu. If this is your first withdrawal, you may need to add a withdrawal address. To do this, click on Add Withdrawal Address. Enter your withdrawal address correctly. Ensure that you have access to the address you are entering. Label the address for your reference and save it. Once your address is confirmed, go back to the withdrawal page. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Review the withdrawal fees associated with your transaction. If everything looks correct, click on Review Withdrawal. Check all details carefully to ensure accuracy. If satisfied, finalize the withdrawal by clicking on Confirm Withdrawal. You will likely receive a confirmation email for the withdrawal request. Follow any additional security prompts, such as two-factor authentication. Wait for the withdrawal to be processed. Withdrawal times may vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. You can check the status of your withdrawal under the Funds section of your account. Once completed, the crypto will be sent to your specified address. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.